Jason, there's many stages to a fit-out project. How do we ensure that TSI integrates properly with other trades during the process?
Well, with any job one, a folder is put together for the installations team. It then gets handed over to the installations manager. He would then obviously look through and make contact with the site foreman on site and liaise to arrange the first fix. When I say first fix, I'm talking about, you know, our engineers going in, getting cables from point A to point B, getting them in the right locations. Once that's done, we'll then usually pull off site for a while, you know, but obviously you'd be available should we need to pop back and move any cables to, you know, because there's a wall going in that someone wasn't, you know, aware of. And then we would obviously, Steve would then liaise with the site foreman to carry out a second fix, which is, you know, our engineers would go back, put all the equipment on the walls, get the system up, commissioned, ready for client handover.